What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here. We are sitting in the garage that we're building here. So to give you a quick rundown, this thing is 60 deep, or 60 long, excuse me, and 32 deep. 5 garage doors up front here with a long approach, of course, for the low cars. There's 1 garage door out back and a man door on the side, which of course we're going to show you here. But essentially what we have here, they dug the footer. They put the foundation on it, leveled the floor out, poured the floor. It's got a little bit of a slope here, so all the water drains out. But this is part 1 of the new garage here to store all the project vehicles. Of course, you guys only know about the Falcon Ute and the EA Falcon, but I guess fortunately, but unfortunately, I do have a lot more that we have not shown you guys yet. So I'm excited to make some more videos here soon and show you the full garage, and of course, keep you updated here on this progress. So we have all the concrete work done, and then from here, it's just gonna be, of course, some framing, some walls, roof, a lot of stuff still, but we're really looking forward to what's to come, because this here will give us the opportunity to, of course, film when it's cold, when it's raining, hot summer days, of course, hoping to have AC in here. So it's just gonna be cool to have a spot and a place to be able to sit in front of the camera and tinker with stuff, I guess, because I'm not a mechanic, but I enjoy tinkering with stuff. So of course, with the number of project cars we have here, there's always something that could be done. If it's something from putting a radio in to, I don't know, putting exhaust on a car to pulling the engine out, we don't know yet. So just looking forward to showing you guys along here. If you've watched our last video about the EA Falcon here in the United States, honestly, the video blew up way more than myself and my editor thought. I think we had like 50-something thousand views and like almost 800 comments on that. So the biggest comment that probably 75% of people were saying was the odometer's been wound back. And I just want to touch base on that. So for one, it wouldn't matter to me if the car had 100 miles, 1,000 miles, 1,000,000 miles. To me, it's irrelevant. It's still a one-of-one car here in the United States. And for two, I wouldn't want a car, honestly, if it had like collector style, because I'm going to tear this thing apart and we're going to actually drive the car. So as far as the plans go with the car, a quick rundown without getting too technical and too crazy with things. The car is going to get a turbo Barra, most likely turbo 400, probably a 9-inch. And yes, it's probably going to be way too much overkill. That just seems how everything ends up happening. It's a slippery slope, but essentially the goal is going to be here to have a nice driver, skid car whenever you want to do some skids. But I'm not looking to break records or reinvent the wheel here. So our guys over in Australia from Hoon TV, All Trade Automotive, there's a plethora of guys here that are willing to hop on board and help with this project. Are really looking forward to starting on that, but we are delaying the project a little bit longer, obviously because of the garage here. So by doing that, we'll be able to put the lift in here, get some tools, and get a lot more stuff to be able to work on the car properly, and be able to put it together and do things the right way, because that's not how we do things here. We do them the right way. We're not like half-assing anything. We're not just trying to get it done. So, if you got to push it off a little bit, that's fine. So I'm really looking forward to that project specifically because, again, that's a one-of-one. I think it's going to be super cool to tie some of the Australian side in to the American side here, because, again, I've got guys that want to fly over and help put the car together and work on it. So just really looking forward to that, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. Make sure to like, sub, comment, share with your friends. We'll see you next time.